Hi, this is another video from the Newberg Technology Group. My name is Sam. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Newberg Tech Group and on Twitter, Newberg Tech GRP, and visit our website at newbergtechgroup.com. We're going to be taking a look at some items that we have in. We're looking at the second generation of the Moto 360 smartwatch. This version improves on the aesthetics and the design of the original first generation Moto 360. Motorola has crafted and fine-tuned this device with men, women, and fitness enthusiasts in mind. The Moto 360 Gen 2 is very stylish, lightweight, and comfortable, and it appeals to those who even prefer a more classic look and feel. This classy timepiece can be highly customized to fit your individual needs and style. You can change the color, size, the material, the band type, the bezel, things of that nature, using Moto Maker Design Studio at Motorola.com. The Moto 360 Gen 2 is compatible with Android and iPhones, and what makes things better, this smartwatch features quick release bands that allow you to quickly switch between metal or leather bands with ease. The device features dual digital microphones, a built-in GPS, water and dust resistance, it's IP67, not waterproof. The interface is user-friendly and easy to navigate, and offers lots of apps that can be used with the device, such as health and wellness, email, weather, music, messaging, games, calendars, news, etc. Apps like Spotify can easily be accessed along with apps to lock your door or start your vehicle. These apps can be managed directly from your smartphone, and you can also change and customize the watch face from there as well. The Moto 360 Gen 2 runs on a 1.2 GHz quad-core processor. It's the Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 APQ 8026 and a 450 MHz GPU, the Adreno 305. It's equipped with 4 GB of internal storage, 512 MB of RAM, and utilizes Bluetooth 4.0 low energy, along with Wi-Fi 802.11b and G connectivity. The Moto 360 Gen 2 is capable of handling the workload you throw at it. Various sensors are utilized in this device, such as an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, a gyroscope, vibration/haptic engine. The Moto 360 Gen 2 features a backlit Corning Gorilla Glass 3 LCD display. It's available in different sizes. Men's 1.56 inches with a resolution of 360 by 330, and a men's and women's size of 1.37 inches with a resolution of 360 by 325. For additional smartwatch size specifications, visit Motorola.com. The different Moto 360 styles have different battery size capacities as well. The men's 46mm has a 400 mAh battery that can provide up to 2 days of battery life, and the men's 42mm and women's has a 300 mAh battery that can provide up to a day and a half of battery life. The device can be charged wirelessly with the included charging dock. Various functions affect the battery life and will shorten the time needed in between charges. The Moto 360 Gen 2 is a smartwatch that can appeal to men and women alike, since the look and feel of the device can be customized through the Moto Maker Design Studio. This smartwatch can be made to look like a classic timepiece or even a sporty gym accessory. There are so many options to choose from when using the Moto Maker Design Studio. This smartwatch is comfortable, lightweight, and user-friendly, and when you combine all these things together with available apps and device configurations, you end up with a very solid device all around. The Moto 360 Gen 2 can be paired with Android and iPhones, which can be a great thing, especially if you decide to upgrade to a new device in the near future. If you're in the market for a new smartwatch, this is definitely a great contender. Visit Motorola.com for more information, and you can also visit Verizon Wireless as well.